Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Itanagar. With years of experience and expertise in the field of building information modeling, BIM, Scon Design India has established itself as a go-to firm for all BIM-related services. Their commitment to delivering top-notch quality and innovative solutions has earned them a reputation as one of the best BIM companies in Itanagar. As a BIM company, Scon Design India offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. They specialize in creating 3D models of buildings, which not only help in visualizing the final product but also aid in detecting any potential clashes or issues during the design phase. Their team of skilled professionals uses advanced software tools to create accurate and detailed models that meet the highest industry standards. One of the key advantages of working with Scon Design India is their ability to provide comprehensive BIM coordination services. They have experience in coordinating various disciplines such as architecture, structure, MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, and more. This ensures that all the elements of a building are well integrated and work seamlessly together. By detecting clashes and inconsistencies early on, Scon Design India helps minimize costly rework and delays during construction. They maintain open lines of communication and provide regular updates to ensure that clients are involved and informed throughout the project. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Itanagar, offering a wide range of services including 3D modeling, coordination, and consulting. With their expertise and commitment to excellence, they have become the preferred choice for many clients in the region. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale development, Scon Design India has the knowledge and skills to deliver outstanding BIM solutions. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Itanagar, providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions to the construction industry. With a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers comprehensive BIM services that cater to the specific needs of architects, engineers, contractors, and developers. The company's expertise lies in leveraging the power of BIM technology to streamline the design, construction, and operation of buildings, resulting in improved efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced project collaboration. As a BIM company in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the unique challenges faced by the local construction industry. The company is well versed in the local building regulations, codes, and standards, ensuring that all BIM models and designs comply with the required guidelines. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also has extensive experience working on projects of various sizes